Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your idler wheel on your Toolker 1x30. And the tools we'll need for this job is a 1/2 inch wrench, 1/2 inch socket, 3/16 Allen wrench, 3/8 washer, and a custom idler wheel from Cliff Curry. So this is the idler wheel. The reason we're swapping this out because this will give better traction for using this one. It is a little bit more rounded up top, so you don't have to use any electric tape to help with the tracking. This wheel is going to do it all. So I have my wrench here, make sure it's left, and then get this in frame is this guy right over here. So I'm just going to loosen this. So the pieces that came with this, we have everything is the nut, spacer, bearing, and then the actual wheel itself. This comes straight out. So you push out. Mine gets a little stuck right here, so I'll show you how to remove it. If you have a rubber mallet, this would be the best time to grab it. Since this won't come out freely, I'm going to use my workbench right here. So I'm going to place the wheel on top right here and just use my hammer. And there it goes. So with everything, we're going to go in reverse order right now. So I have my spacer, which I'm going to put my washer on. I have a couple. We'll see how only one does on one side. This wheel is pretty snug. Make sure it goes in. Okay, clips in just fine, and it spins freely. Putting my spacer on it right now. Okay, you don't need to go gorilla strength on this. Hand tight is good, making sure the wheel still spins freely. And I'm going to check, so I still have a lot of slack over here, which I don't like, so I'm going to add another spacer. Alright, so I'm going to add a second spacer to this side now. Spacer, or my washer, spacer. That looks a lot better. Got my nut. Okay, I have a little gap right here. Another spacer will not fit, just a little too wide for that space right there. So let's just see how this tracks right now. All right, let's see how this tracks. Initial setting. All right. It's not, looks pretty even. I like it. Alright guys, well hopefully you enjoyed that video. Let's test it up to 2000 RPM, my normal speed. It tracks very nicely on both sides. Awesome. Alright guys, well here's that video and hopefully you enjoy it. Have a good day.